Hello world, what is up everyone? Welcome back to today's video. Today is a big one. Today I'll be using every single FOREO device all in one skincare routine. I have a device in every single FOREO collection. That is the Luna collection, the UFO collection, the Bear, the Iris, the Espada, and the ISSA collection. Now, I've reviewed almost all of these individual products before, and I'll have all of those linked down below, but I've never used all of these devices all in one skincare routine, and let me tell you guys, I have to be honest, my entire city is shut now, and I can't even go to the spa. I actually had a spa treatment this month. I was going to treat myself, and then as things are these days, everything got shut down and I don't get to go to the spa anymore. So you know what? I brought the spa to myself. I said, Trevor, you have all of these FOREO devices in your bathroom. Why not use them all in one skincare routine and literally bring the spa to yourself? Spa level results at home. So that's what we're doing for today's video, and I am so excited because you guys know I love technology, I love skincare, and when the two of them merge together, my heart is just like fulfilled on another planet. I could sit here all day long and play with these devices, so let's get to it. Okay, so starting off this pamperation session, we obviously have to cleanse the skin because we need a nice canvas to work with, and we need to get rid of any dirt, debris, buildup, because we want all of these treatments to penetrate as deeply under the skin as they can, and that really starts with an effective clean. So for cleanser, I'm going to be using the FOREO Microfoam Cleanser, which retails for $49.99. The FOREO Microfoam Cleanser foams up to a beautiful foam, you guys know, which is key when using a cleansing device. It also contains vitamin E, niacinamide, and overall just a really great cleanser. Now, you guys might think that this is a little bit excessive, and maybe for some of you, it is, but I'm going to be using 2 facial cleansers. Now, this is actually what I do in my real skincare routine. I know it sounds a little bit excessive to use the 2 of them, but hear me out. I'll be using the FOREO Luna 3 Men, which retails for $199, as well as the FOREO Luna Mini 3, which retails for $159. So let's begin by cleansing my skin, and then I'll explain to you guys the process of using 2 different cleansing devices. So I'm going to take a little bit of the microfoam cleanser, and what I like to do, which is a little bit of a trick, is I like to create bubbles on my skin before I use the cleansing device. It just kind of helps them glide a little bit easier. As you guys can see, this cleanser is super foamy, which, like I said, is key when using a cleansing device. So first I'll take the Luna 3 Men, and I'll take it on the outside of my face. Now, the reason why I use this device in particular on the outside of my face is because it has a bigger surface area than the Luna Mini 3. Now, something that I didn't really realize when I got my Luna 3 Men's version is that the bristles are a little bit thicker or more tough. Even though they're still soft silicone, they're just a little bit more rough, which is meant to exfoliate the beard area, especially if you have any stubble or a beard. The Luna 3 is perfect for deep cleansing those larger surface areas, especially if you want to take it down the neck or the chin, the cheek area. But the reason why I keep the Luna Mini 3 close by is because I use the Luna Mini 3 around the eye area and around my nose. I just find that the mini version fits better in those contoured areas. I'll take this guy and I'll just go around the nose area here, around the cheeks, and kind of between the eyebrows. Of course, these T-sonic pulsations feel incredible, and what they're doing is lifting all of that dirt and debris, any dead skin or any texture buildup on the face, lifting it right off and cleansing it. And I should mention that I've customized both of the settings in my Luna Mini 3 and my Luna 3. So I've customized both of these to fit my skincare routine, but really you can go as long or as quickly or as intensely as you like. And there is a beeping truck outside, so this is the perfect time to rinse my skin off. I'll meet you guys right back here. If you could feel my skin, it is so cleansed and it is ready. Skincare gods, I am ready to receive the gifts of hydration, of anti-aging, of sunspot correction. I mean, all of these skincare products, I need to get them on my skin. This is the FOREO Bear Facial Toning Device, which retails for $299. And this is the FOREO Bear Mini Facial Toning Device that retails for $199. Now, this step is going to tone and tighten the skin, and it's very important to do this on cleansed skin. Now, I have done a full review of the FOREO Bear and the FOREO Bear Mini two separate reviews. Like I said, everything will be linked down below, but they're a much more in-depth review of each individual product and about microcurrent in general. Now, I've really been enjoying the FOREO Serum as a conductive gel every time I use my FOREO Bear or my FOREO Bear Mini. This is a triple hyaluronic acid serum, so it's very hydrating and at the same time as being a conductive gel, unlike something like the New Face Primer, which just is not as hydrating as this one. You also get the benefits of the microcurrent treatment itself, but as well as the serum, the hyaluronic acid. So you're getting a much more hydrating treatment, as well as the anti-aging benefits of the microcurrent treatment. So let's go ahead and get this on the skin and start these treatments. So I like to use 2 pumps, and I'm going to take this serum and apply it on the area that we're going to treat. So once your skin is totally covered in serum, I'm going to go ahead, take my FOREO Bear first. Okay, the T-sonic pulsations first of all, so relaxing, but let's begin the treatment. We're just going to take it all the way back and hold it right here. Now, of course, microcurrent sends small amounts of electricity into the skin deep down to the muscle, where it actually stimulates the muscles. And by stimulating that muscle, you're not only getting muscle growth, but you're also building collagen. So you're helping to get fuller skin, tighter skin, firmer skin. I mean, this can really help give you like a little bit of an instant lift. And the really cool thing with microcurrent is not only do you get that instant lift, but you also get the long-term benefits of toned and tightened skin. I mean, hello. Now you can do as many passes as you like. I like to do about 5 passes per area, one here, one along the cheeks, and then I'll just take it all over the forehead. Toning, tightening, lifting. Now I get asked all the time, Trevor, should I get the FOREO Bear or should I get the FOREO Bear Mini? And the answer is a little bit of a complicated one, or I guess a personal preference. Now, the FOREO Bear is great at what I'm doing right now, which is toning and tightening the entire face. So that's the cheeks, the jowls, the chin, the forehead, any of those larger surface areas. As you guys can see here, it fits kind of perfectly and snug into the contours of the face. So for a full facial toning treatment, I always recommend the FOREO Bear just because it has these bigger nodes and fits more easily in the larger areas of the face. Now, if you're someone who, say, smokes or is concerned with wrinkles around their mouth or even wrinkles around their eyes, crow's feet, or, you know, my arch nemesis, the number 11 lines between my forehead, that's where the FOREO Bear Mini comes into play. The FOREO Bear Mini just fits perfectly in those smaller contours of the face. So around the eye, around the mouth. In fact, let's do a little treatment right now. Put some serum around my lips here and let's begin. We'll turn on the FOREO Bear Mini. So I'm just going to go back and forth along the lip area here. This is really going to help to tone and tighten, alleviate any fine lines or wrinkles around the lip area. The T-sonic pulsations just started when you make that double contact with the skin on the nodes. And I'm just going to go back and forth. Here we go. You can do this about 5 times. 5 passes is more than enough. Or, you know, you can take your time and you can do a little bit more. I'm going to go up over the lip area here. You can take the FOREO Bear Mini and really target like the laugh lines in here, or, you know, the number 11s in here. My eyes could use a little bit of a treatment from the FOREO Bear. So let's get some serum on here and do a little bit of an eye treatment. So I'm just going to take the FOREO Bear here and I'm just going to go straight under the eye. Now, I don't like to pull outward on the eye, so I'll actually just take the FOREO Bear Mini and just kind of glide it in here. And oh, it feels so relaxing. Guys, let me know in the comments down below whatever city you're from. Are your spas open? Is your city shut down? You know, over the last year, beauty tech tools is one of the very few categories that actually grew over last year because everyone's at home more, they have more time, and I feel like people just want to take that little bit of time to pamper themselves. You know, things out there are rough right now, and taking these moments just to treat yourself, honestly, just time for you. Yes, please. So the next step in this pamperation session is, of course, the FOREO UFO and the FOREO UFO 2. Now, I am super lucky I have either one to choose from, and you guys know I love my FOREO UFO like no other. Like, my heart, I swear, it looks like a FOREO UFO. Now, I started out with the FOREO UFO original, which is fantastic. It does everything that the FOREO UFO 2 can do. The FOREO UFO 2 is just a tech upgrade to the FOREO UFO, so it just gets a little bit warmer, that thermotherapy 5 times faster than this guy, and the cryotherapy also faster. So because the treatment's only 90 seconds, you're getting the most out of the FOREO UFO 2 because every second counts. The FOREO UFO 2 is also more easily customizable when it comes to selecting the LED lights. Red LED to stimulate production and collagen, blue LED to minimize imperfections, green LED to even out the skin tone. It also has white LED, purple LED, which is a combination of red and blue that help eliminate toxins. It also has orange LED, which helps with sun damage as well as revitalizes the skin. Yellow LED improves overall skin tone. And lastly, cyan LED can help reduce the size of swollen capillaries and also has been proven to promote skin healing. This is the FOREO UFO 2, which retails for $279. Now, honestly, the hardest part of using the FOREO UFO 2 is selecting which FOREO mask you are going to use. Now, I've pulled these out of my collection. This is the Farm to Fresh collection, and this is FOREO's premium activated mask collection. Now, there's Bulgarian Rose, there's Manuka Honey, there's CBD oil, and coconut. I mean, this collection is absolutely beautiful, but depending on your skincare concern or, whatever my skin is going through, whenever I use my UFO, I choose a different mask that matches that skin concern. Now today, I'm going to be using the FOREO Make My Day Activated Mask, and this is from their original collection. Now, normally I'm all about premium collection and I love the most. The extra, give it to me full throttle, but when it comes to the FOREO masks, I really love the original collection. Now I'm going to load this mask onto my FOREO UFO. Oh gosh, that was really difficult. And we're going to secure it right in place, and just like that, the activated mask is loaded into the FOREO UFO 2. Let's get a little bit of extra serum motive here and just kind of prime the skin. Oh, that feels so hydrating. FOREO remembers the last mask that I actually used was the hydrating treatment. Go figure, and let's begin.
Use a circular motion as you gently glide UFO across your face and neck, distributing mask essence evenly.
It feels so good, you guys.
Allow your mind and body to slowly awaken as the red LED and a gentle warmth prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this complex.
Now, normally when I do this in the bathroom, I turn all the lights off and I really take my time. It feels so warm and hydrating. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is my favorite skincare device.
Relax and enjoy a soothing facial massage as T-sonic
pulsations
infuse moisture into your skin.
Oh, now the T-sonic pulsations are infusing that moisture into the skin. Oh, this feels so hydrating, you guys. Now, I like to spend a little bit more time on my number 11 here to really drive that hydration and alleviate that deep, harsh wrinkle. This really helps.
You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed. Mask treatment is now complete.
Hello, you guys. My skin is so luminous and so glowing. It should be illegal. Look at this. Find me, officer, for this radiance. Now, we cannot forget to give our under eye a little bit of attention because, listen, I've been at home for a very long time now. I've been eating the potato chips. Oh, I wish I wasn't. I've been eating the sugar. Oh, I wish I wasn't. So I need a little bit of depuffing to get that lymphatic drainage and to help the absorption of my eye cream. I need a little bit of help with my FOREO Iris. This is the FOREO Iris Illuminating Eye Massager that retails for $139. Now, before I use it, I am going to use a little bit of eye cream. I'm actually opening a brand new jar. My favorite Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex Synchronized Recovery. Take a moment for a breath after that one. So I'm just going to put a little bit of eye cream on my under eye area here. Spread it around. Let's even put it on my eyelid, in my eyebrow, because we're not going anywhere. We're just staying home. So let's take our little iris and turn it on. Okay, guys, I get it. But let's take it and we just begin to massage the under eye area. This is like a total first world device at this point. You can just do this with your fingers, but it feels really nice. So I'm just gonna close my eyes. This is gonna give a great depuffing massage. Oh my gosh, right here it feels so good, those T-sonic pulsations. So we're going to just take this all the way down here and kind of do a little bit of a lymphatic drainage massage. You could even take it right down. Oh my gosh, that feels so good, you guys. If you don't like the T-sonic pulsations, the vibrations, you can turn those off. You can also customize the speed with an up and down arrow here, but I love mine on the full speed, so full speed ahead. My under eyes are feeling snatched, so let's cruise right along. Up next, we're going to target any acne or pimples that I might have on my face. Ta-da! This is the FOREO ESPADA Blue Light Acne Treatment Device that retails for $149. The FOREO ESPADA is a super targeted blue LED acne treatment, so great for those individual standalone pimples, not so good for larger areas, but if you're someone like me who suffers from the occasional breakout, the blue light acne treatment device is going to be great for you. Alright, as you guys can see, the blue LED light comes out of the bottom here, and it turns on when the device comes in contact with the skin. At the same time, T-sonic pulsations will also start to help relax the skin, while the blue LED travels deep into the skin, really targeting the pimple or the zit, making it go away. I will show you what you do is just turn the device on here with one click, and there's actually little lights in here, little lasers that you can line the device up, and as you get it closer to the skin, you can really target the acne, and you just go ahead and you place the device right on the skin, and the T-sonic pulsations just started here, and the treatment lasts for 30 seconds. You can do it for 30 seconds, you can do multiple treatments in a row depending on how bad the zit is, but I find the device pretty useful when I do have just that one zit, that one pimple that just won't go away. This is also a great device for targeting those pimples before they come to a head. You know, that way they're not as bad as normal. Now, we can't have glowing, beautiful, flawless skin with dirty old teeth, right? Nope. This is the FOREO ISSA 2 toothbrush that retails for $169. Funny enough, you guys often ask me, Trevor, how do you get your teeth so white? And I comment all the time in the comments down below, like, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day. Brush teeth twice a day. All right. Let's brush these teeth. All right, look at these teeth, you guys. The toothbrush is amazing. Actually, let me see if I can find my Philips Sonicare to show you guys the difference in the brush heads. 1 second. Okay, so this is my old Philips Sonicare. This is my FOREO toothbrush, and you guys can see, look at that. I mean, that's a big difference. I mean, why doesn't this one have a bigger brush head? I don't know. I just like this one way much more. All right, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video here using every FOREO device possible. The FOREO UFO, the FOREO Luna, the FOREO Bear, the FOREO Bear Mini, the ISSA, the Iris, the Espada. I mean, my skin definitely needed this transformation. If you have any of these devices, let me know in the comments down below. Give today's video a thumbs up. Also hit subscribe to join this ever-growing family. You guys, I almost forgot your special treat for sticking around until the very end. Romeo, oh look, he's so sleepy. He was deep asleep. Romeo and I love and appreciate you so much. I know so many of you guys stick around to the very end to see Romeo. He loves it, and we love you. We'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye, Romeo. Bye, everybody.